Welcome to the video demonstrating how to remove the coil springs from a fire damper and replace them with new ones. First off, you need to identify the issue and the access requirements for the damper and making sure that the damper can actually have the springs replaced. Tools required to complete the task then is the replacement coil spring. Then you have the rivet gun. You also need a drill with the right size head on it, and then as part of the replacement then you will need some form of soft hammer and some pushing down tool to be able to complete it. Next step then is the removal of the old coil springs. So first off, you cut off any excess spring that is not required. So we're now at the stage we've cut the coil spring away, making safe access into the ductwork and access to the rivet. So we're now going to drill away the old rivet and remove the remainder of the spring. As you can see there, the spring has now been removed, making sure all debris is cleaned out and getting ready for the new spring replacement. So with the new spring replacement then we make sure that when we get the spring that we check it over, making sure that there's no defects or anything visually that we can see with the new coil spring. So as you can see in the bottom on the locking guides, you have the coil spring holder. That's where the new coil spring is going to be attached to. So we've placed the spring coil onto the spring coil guide, as you can see there. And then what you need to do is make that go back to 90 degrees. So the coil is now in situ. So from here then, you drop the damper down slightly, allowing you to gain access to the bottom blade to be able to put the new rivet in with the new spring. You then bring out the spring, placing the rivet through the new spring, ensuring not to twist into position. Then line up the new coil spring with the blade. Rivet in place and then set the damper into the open position. From here then, what we need to do is perform the functional test of the damper, ensuring that it closes correctly.